Hey guys, Jim Brown here with Solar Optics Tent. Hey, we get asked every once in a while what's in our van, and us tenters usually don't keep secrets when it comes to stuff like this, so I'm going to show everybody what we got. So we've just got the Dodge Caravan high roof. That's what we use, and we'll walk around here. I'll show you how we got ours set up, if anybody's wondering. Open this boy up. So in the back here, we've got shelves on the right side. We don't keep a lot of film in the van other than the jobs we're doing because we don't like the humidity hitting them. So everything's kept in a climate controlled in our offices. On the back side over here, we got our little giant ladder slides up in there. We've got our step ladder that we use for either a step ladder or to put our film handler on. We'll walk around here, show you the other side. Coming in from the side, we got our little sales tote that basically we just keep all of our sales literature in. It also, one of these in our sales vehicle also, which was right over there. So then we have a toolbox here for all of our extra tools. Hop up in here. And this just, it pulls out, it just has like extra tent tools that we may need on a job sometime, extra Blue Max, different things like that. Come over here, we got our, we usually have two little giants in there. One of them's being used. We got our stools back there, little platform stools, tool belt. That's my favorite that I wear. Tent buster we use a lot when we're on ladders. Just a big spray system. We have our one single tray that keeps all of our main stuff in that we would take in on a job. All of our squeegees, cards, knives, stuff like that. That's our go-to tote. And then we have another toolbox with all security film tools in it. Pretty simple setup there. If you can see, here's our film handler. We just use that. If it's a big job, we'll take that off and take it in the job site, put it on a ladder. If it's a smaller job, we'll just come right out here. We got it all set up with tape, slitters. We'll pre-cut everything right here in the van and take it inside. After that, we just got a shelf full of totes. We got extra sales literature, all of our water that we use in our tent buster. Soaps will go in here. We got all clean towels in here. We usually keep two of these. Got all of our liquids in one tote, all of our gloves in a tote. This is all basically safety equipment. We got, you know, our straps. We got our harnesses. Anytime we're on scaffolding, we always strap up, just safety. In here we keep all of our trash cans, extra squirt bottles if we ever using this system. And that's pretty much it. We got our front up top. We got all of our blue shop towels. Little vacuum that we use on some windows. Sometimes we need to clean up. And then basically on the top of this, I mean, we tarp everything. So we've got every size tarp you can think of. We pack those in every job and definitely cover the floor, furniture, anything, especially if you're using scaffolding or something, just to make sure we protect it. But that's our setup. That's what we got. And I can't think of anything else I'm missing. In this, we got plenty of room to walk in this aisle, but we also have room in here for 4 sections of scaffold fit in here, and also a 24-foot extension ladder fits in here. So great setup if anybody's wondering what's in the van.